This is the monkey onsen. Look at them. And there's a wee little monkey down there. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, look at him go. There he goes. Oh, look, he's struggling.
So cute.
We're struggling. Oh, go into the water. It's hot there. Go. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, look how small he is next to the big one. Oh, so cute. What do you think of the monkey onsen, Irene?
It's awesome.
Any words?
Monkeys are cool.
Elaine?
Kawaii.
Kawaii. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay.
Look how big and little.
Brittany? Any words about the monkey onsen?
One guy that teased at me. It's kind of scary.
What?
One went.
Do that again? What do you think of the monkey onsen, Greg?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool? See, look at him go. Magical onsen. Hello. Konnichiwa.
It's like, hell, you're not going to put it.
Oh,
I'm taking a bath.
hey man, turn around. Oh look, monkey butt.
Oh, look at that.
Monkey butt.